You're watching Airbnb Automated, and today, we're unboxing everything. Welcome back, Airbnb family. Today's unboxing, the bedroom. So for today's bedroom edition, we're going to look at what you can buy on Amazon and what you have to buy locally. And the reason why we stray away from certain products on Amazon is because of the timeline in which they arrive, and you can't get them consistently. In a future video, I'm going to show you a hack to solve that problem too, but in this video, let's be practical for all of you regular Airbnb hosts out there. So what we do is we buy our bedroom furniture, which is the bed frame, the dresser, the nightstand, the basics, from a local wholesaler. A couple wholesaler names you want to remember are Coaster or Cortland. Now, there are people on Facebook Marketplace who buy from these local wholesalers and then deliver right to your door. And you get a really good deal on it, and they'll assemble that furniture for you. That makes buying the big stuff locally worth it. So the great thing about this king-size bed is it was like $400, and it looks great in photos. Bad side is these little wood slats that hold the bed up wouldn't last more than maybe like a month. So this metal thing here I found on Amazon is outstanding, but the problem is it won't fit inside the bed frame. So we're gonna have to do a little Tim Allen tool time and start cutting some things up, having a little fun. So let's get to it. Voila! It is flat. So now that the bed's made, we can finally start moving the camera around and set up the rest of the bedroom so you can see what else must go in here, because of course a bed alone won't do the trick.